enjoy the show.
Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Forecast Diaries. Today, we're taking you along on a simple but unforgettable family adventure here in one of Singapore's most iconic attractions, Gardens by the Bay. It may be a rainy Saturday, but sometimes the best memories are made on days that don't go according to plan. Instead of staying home because of the weather, we decided to grab our umbrellas and enjoy the beauty that Singapore has to offer. Rain or shine, family time is always worth it. So come along with us as we experience the magical garden Rhapsody, admire the towering super trees, and discover why even a gloomy day can become one of the brightest memories. As soon as we arrived at Gardens by the Bay, the first thing we noticed was the cool breeze brought by the rain. The pathways were quieter than usual, making everything feel peaceful and relaxing. The leaves glistened with raindrops, flowers looked even more vibrant, and the super trees stood tall against the gray sky. Sometimes, we only appreciate nature when we slow down. The rain made us walk a little slower, but perhaps that's exactly what we needed. Instead of rushing from one attraction to another, we enjoyed every little moment together. The kids were excited despite the weather. They laughed while avoiding puddles, pointed at the giant super trees, and couldn't stop asking when the light show would begin. And honestly, seeing their excitement made the rainy weather feel completely unimportant. For those visiting Singapore, Gardens by the Bay is definitely a must-visit destination. It spans over 100 hectares and showcases an incredible blend of nature, sustainability, and modern architecture. The most famous attraction here is the Super Tree Grove. These towering vertical gardens are between 25 and 50 meters tall, covered with thousands of plants from around the world. They're not just beautiful structures, they're also designed with sustainability in mind. Some collect rainwater, while others generate solar energy and help cool nearby conservatories. It's amazing how technology and nature come together in one place. Whether you're visiting during the day or at night, the experience feels completely different. But if you ask us, nighttime is extra magical because of the Garden Rhapsody. As the evening grew darker, more families slowly gathered beneath the super trees. Some people spread picnic mats on the grass. Others simply lay down and looked up at the towering structures. Even with occasional drizzle, nobody seemed bothered. Everyone patiently waited for the show to begin. There was something beautiful about watching strangers sharing the same excitement. Children laughed, parents carried sleeping babies, couples held umbrellas together, tourists pointed their cameras upward. For a few moments, everyone seemed connected by the same anticipation. And honestly, that's one thing we love about Singapore. People from different cultures, different backgrounds, and different countries all come together to enjoy simple moments like this. Finally, the lights slowly dimmed. Music began to play. Then suddenly, the super trees came alive. This spectacular light and sound show combines colorful lighting effects with beautiful operatic music, transforming the Super Tree Grove into an open-air theater beneath the stars. As the music played, the lights danced perfectly in sync with every note. The giant super trees changed from deep blue to brilliant purple to vibrant green, then glowing gold. It almost felt like they were breathing with the music. The children couldn't stop looking up. Moments like this remind us that children don't need expensive toys or fancy entertainment to be happy. Sometimes, all they need is a beautiful experience shared with the people they love. Watching the lights reflect through tiny raindrops made everything even more magical. The rain became part of the performance. Instead of ruining the evening, it added another layer of beauty. Nature and music work together perfectly. As parents, we're constantly busy. Work, school, household chores, deadlines, responsibilities. Sometimes we forget that children won't remember every gift we buy, but they'll remember how we made them feel. They'll remember rainy Saturdays like this. The laughter, the walks together, sharing snacks, holding umbrellas, taking silly family photos, looking up at the lights together. These are the moments that become lifelong memories. Family adventures don't always have to be overseas. You don't always need a big budget. Sometimes, one evening together is enough. Life isn't measured by how many things we own. It's measured by the moments we share. And today reminded us that happiness often comes from the simplest experiences. If you're ever in Singapore, don't miss the Garden Rhapsody at Gardens by the Bay. It's completely free to watch, making it one of the best family-friendly experiences in the city. Whether it's sunny or rainy, the show is absolutely worth seeing.
Shine once again, you'd be mine, oh mine. But in reality, you and I will never be. 'Cause you took your love away from me. Yeah.
Thank you so much for joining our family on another adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss our future family travels, food adventures, and everyday moments here in Singapore and beyond. Until our next adventure. Stay kind, stay grateful, treasure every moment with your family, and remember, the brightest memories aren't always made under sunny skies. Sometimes, they're made beneath umbrellas, surrounded by the people who matters most. The rain didn't take away the beauty of this place. It revealed it in a different way. The reflections on the wet paths, the cool breeze, the sound of raindrops, and the glowing super trees all came together to create a memory that felt peaceful and unforgettable. Life can be like that too. Not every day will be sunny. There will be days filled with unexpected changes, disappointments, or challenges. Sometimes things won't go according to our plans. But just because life isn't perfect doesn't mean it isn't beautiful. Sometimes the greatest blessings come disguised as ordinary moments. As parents, we often think about giving our children the best experiences. We dream of big holidays, exciting adventures, and unforgettable destinations. But today reminded us that what children treasure most isn't always where they go, it's who they're with. Years from now, our children may not remember every detail of this light show, but they might remember walking hand in hand beneath the umbrellas. They might remember laughing together as the rain fell. They might remember lying on the grass and looking up at the colorful super trees dancing with music. And perhaps they'll remember that home isn't just a place. It's the people beside you. In a world that constantly encourages us to do more, buy more, and chase more, today was a gentle reminder to simply slow down, to look up, to notice the little things, to appreciate the beauty that already surrounds us. Gratitude doesn't always come from having everything we want. Sometimes it comes from realizing we already have what matters most: family, health, time together, and memories that money can never replace. If you're watching this wherever you are in the world, we hope this video encourages you to spend time with the people you love. It doesn't have to be somewhere famous. It doesn't have to be expensive. It doesn't have to be on a sunny day. Go for a walk. Watch a sunset. Visit a park. Share a simple meal. Laugh together. Because one day, those ordinary moments will become the stories you tell. Here at the Forecast Diaries, that's what we want to celebrate. Not just the places we visit, but the lessons we learn along the way. Not just the destinations, but the journey that brings us closer as a family. We'd also love to hear from you. What's one simple moment that brought you joy recently? Share it with us in the comments, because your story might inspire someone else. We'll see you in the next adventure here on the Forecast Diaries. God bless, stay safe, and see you next time. Take care.
Rhapsody is brought to you by Gardens by the Bay, and we hope that you have enjoyed the show.